Now, meteorologist Get Cloninger with the Fox 18 local pinpoint forecast.
Well, snow is on the way, but temperatures right now are very chilly. We've got to look at those right now. 18 in Galena and 19 in Maquoketa, 14 right now in Clinton. Some of these temperatures are going to be closer to highs later on in the week, but those are going to be in the 20s later on. 21 right now in Kewaunee and in the Quad Cities, 22 for Monmouth, and 19 out there in Washington and Fairfield. We do have a winter weather advisory for places all the way south of Clinton County and across much of our southern hometowns. We're going to be seeing quite a bit of snow. This is also in effect for a lot of the areas due to the fact that it is going to be a very busy travel day tomorrow. And this goes until around 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. So snow begins tonight. This is going to be starting around 2 a.m. towards our southern hometowns, a little bit later for the Quad Cities, and it will be ending around noon tomorrow. Then after that, we'll have that snowpack stick around for a while, and that's going to keep our temperatures down, and Arctic air is going to move in over top of that. So the temperatures this week are going to be very chilly. Looking at the satellite and radar right now across the Quad Cities area, we've got a few clouds, but not a whole lot in the way of snow. That's still off towards Nebraska and just now getting into southern Iowa and northern Missouri. This is going to be continuing into our area over the next several hours, and we can look at that on the Futurecast right now. This is going to be getting into our southern hometowns just after 2 o'clock, and then that'll continue to shift north into the Quad Cities. It'll start here early in the morning. Now, this is just one model, so some of the timing may be a little bit off with this, but other models are showing it a little earlier, others a little bit later. So it'll be around the morning hours that we'll be seeing that, and then it continues on through the morning hours until around noon. That's when it starts to clear out, and then in the afternoon into the evening will start to clear out and be very clear overnight, which is going to let whatever heat is left continue to escape. So the Monday morning temperatures are going to be very cold, and we'll see those temperatures stay in the 20s for the rest of the week, really. We're going to be seeing some single digits coming up, but looking at the snow totals over the next 24 hours, looking at this model, this is the European model. A couple of different models are by different countries or different organizations, and this model shows just a little bit over 2 inches, and it has its own bias and tends to be a little bit overdone, but the RPN, this is our in-house model, is showing a little bit less. I think it's going to be a little bit between the two for here in the Quad Cities. Southern hometowns are definitely going to see easily over 2 inches. Some places locally could see over 3, but tonight we'll be seeing that start, like I said, after 2 a.m. in the Quad Cities area. Overnight we'll get a low of around 18 degrees, and then we'll only be getting up into the mid-20s, which is cooler than today. We got up right to freezing, but not quite here in the Quad Cities. 7-day forecast shows very cold weather, a few days in the single digits, which has been the case for a couple of days this season already, but we have not been seeing those temperatures stick around for very long. This time, we're not going to be getting up above freezing for the entire 7-day forecast in Redrick. I'll tell you, the 10-day forecast doesn't look much different. And it does look a little different, just in the other direction we don't want it to be, because I did put a negative low on there. Yes, oh no, yes.
Scary stuff. Think happy thoughts. We got the white Christmas.
I've never seen something below 9 degrees, so it was difficult for me to do that.
Welcome to the Quad Cities. Thank you.